Hello everyone and welcome to Learn Tech. In this video I'll show you how we can reset Windows 11 laptop or desktop to its factory default settings without losing the files. You may need to do that in case that your PC is slow or it's corrupted or it's having blue screens. So basically in case that your PC is not working well, a reset to the factory settings can help to fix these issues. In order to reset our PC to factory settings, we need to go to search and we search settings, then we open the app settings. From the options on the left, we need to choose Windows Update, then we need to choose Advanced Options, and then from additional options, we need to go at Recovery. And here we have the possibility to reset the PC. We just click over Reset PC and then we have two options. One of the options is to keep the files, but it will remove the apps and the settings, but all your files will be there. And the second option is to remove all your personal files, apps and settings. Normally we need to choose the first option, keep my files. Unfortunately, the apps will be necessary to reinstall them again after resetting our PC. Then we will have two options how we are going to reinstall Windows by cloud download or local reinstall. We'll choose local reinstall. Then we click over next, getting things ready. Then you will see this tab with information what will happen to your computer during the reset. So it will change settings back to their defaults. It will keep the personal files. It will reinstall Windows from this device. It will remove all apps and programs. You can view here all the apps that will be removed. So basically it's going to be Active Presenter, it's going to be AnyDesk, etc. etc. So if you want, you can just keep a note of all these programs that you have installed here and then you reinstall them back once your computer is resetted. So now we just have to click over reset and the reset process will start. So basically that's all that you have to do to reset your PC, and thanks a lot for watching and please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.